Hey guys, I gotta show you something. Be right back. Come here. Come here, little kitty. This is the adorable kitty cat. The magical Izzy. Yeah, the friendly cat. Say hi, Izzy. Not that way. Okay. Well, today I am going to be talking about Disney Infinity, which is the show you all know. Alright, so today is episode 7, and I got some good news. Jack Skellington and Woody are out in stores for the Americans, and pretty soon they're going to be having the Frozen package, which comes with 2 characters from Frozen, the movie, new movie that's coming out, and 2 Power Disc themes. Also, they are coming out with the Toy Story playset, which comes with Buzz Lightyear and Jessie, and the playset piece, of course. And if you didn't know this, just to let you know, I just found this out a while ago, and I wanted to mention it to you guys that the Jack Skellington recently came out, and Woody's been out since October 1st. So if you did not know that, then you just know now. Well, you know now. So that's basically this video today, and I basically wanted to talk about that, and that's basically the video. So I will see you guys in the next video. So
Show. You take
you gotta lift it right there.
in a bowl. This is in a bowl. Tell them that is in a bowl.
It's Izzy in the bowl. Okay. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.